Hi, I'm Jacqueline Gandu from Lark Community Center, and I'm going to show you and demonstrate you some fun experiments that you can do at home or here. So the first experiment that we're going to do, it's called pencil in the bag. So the aftermath, this is how it's going to look like. It's supposed to look like this. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So you get a big Ziploc baggie, and you put about 1/4 of water inside and seal it. And just get any wooden pencil, sharpened, preferably sharp, and just stab it in there, and it will not leak. So why it doesn't leak, it's because it has long chain polymers inside, and it traps the pencil inside, causing it not to leak. So you can just do this as many times as you want, and it will not leak. Just like that. Hi, we're going to proceed to science experiment number 2, which is called Fizzy Rainbow Science Experiment. So what you're going to need is 4 cups, 4 plastic cups, and you're going to need food coloring, preferably one of each color. So then a pencil to stir it, baking soda, and vinegar, and some paper towels just underneath it. If it spills or anything, you got it covered. So now what we're going to do is pour some baking soda, about 3/4 into the cup, of each cup. Okay. Second cup. Now we're going to proceed to pouring the baking soda inside the cups one by one. Okay, just like that, 3/4. Now the second cup. Just like that. Now the third cup. So now we're going to proceed in pouring the baking soda in each of the 4 cups, about 3/4. So let me just get the first cup, pour baking soda on it. Just like that. Now the second cup, we're just going to be proceeding this about 4 times in each cup. Just a little bit more. Okay. Second cup. Now the third. Just like that. Now the 4th one, the last one. Again, just put 3/4 of it inside the cup. Just like that. Now we're going to continue and proceed with the food coloring. Now it's best to put one of each color in each of the cups so it can be different colors. Now we're going to start with the red in the first cup, and I'm just going to put some dots in there. Now the orange in the second cup, or yellow, no orange. Now the third cup with green food coloring. And now the last cup with blue food coloring. And now we're just gonna get the pencil that I mentioned to you earlier, just to stir all the baking soda with the food coloring so it can get the color of the food coloring. And you're just gonna be mixing until the color shows up. Just like that. Now we're gonna do that with the second, third, and fourth cup. Just like that. How pretty. Now the third cup. Just like that. Just keep on mixing it. Now the last and final cup. And just like that. Now we're going to proceed in pouring the vinegar inside the cups. So now that we have mixed every single cup, now I'm just gonna pour in vinegar into another separate cup so it can be easier, so you won't have to be holding the jug. So the first cup. Now the second cup, which is the yellow one. Look at that. How cool and amazing is that? Now the third one. This was gonna be super pretty. Look at that. Wow. Now I'm just gonna refill my other cup. And the last one is blue. Gorgeous. And that is what it has to look like. Now that concludes the second experiment, which was a frizzy rainbow science experiment. Try it at home, you will not be disappointed. Hi, so we're gonna proceed to experiment number 3, which is called Star Toothpick Experiment. So what you're gonna need, the materials for this experiment, is just a paper plate or just any plate, toothpicks, and some water, preferably in this type of container so it can be easier for you. And that'll be all. This is a very short but pretty fun experiment to do. So you're gonna take 5 toothpicks and you're going to break them, but not all the way. You're just gonna bend them. Just like that. All of them. So don't break them all the way. Just like that. Now what you're gonna do is just place them on the plate, and you're going to put all the corners where you bended together. Just like that. So if you put them all together, it'll be better. It'll come out better. So now what you're gonna do is just pour the water right in the middle, and you're just going to wait and see what happens, and it transforms into a star. How cool is that? I bet you didn't know that you could do that. So this concludes all of our experiments, which was the first one, the pencil in the bag experiment, which was pretty cool. Now the second one was the vinegar, the fizzy rainbow experiment, and the third one was the toothpick star. So I hope you learned something with this video. Try it at home, try it everywhere, anywhere. You won't regret it, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!